Maestro provides two special properties that you can use to rank and mark entries: the stars and the mark properties. The stars property allows you to give a project table entry a ranking from 0 to 3 stars. You can show or hide the stars property by choosing the property menu in the project table and selecting Show Stars. To set the number of stars for a particular entry, click on one of the stars. You can click to the left of the stars to clear the star setting. You can also choose the number of stars by using the 0, 1, 2, or 3 keys for a selected entry, or by right-clicking on a selected entry and selecting Stars from the context-sensitive menu that appears. The mark property is a Boolean property. It is set for the target entry when you press the X key either in the workspace or in the project table panel. You can also mark an entry by choosing the entry menu in the project table and selecting Mark Target Entry. If the mark property does not exist in your project, it will be created when you mark an entry. A checkbox will be displayed in the Mark column for all marked entries.